Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I am going to talk about wagering contract. So wagering contract is one of in which there are two necessary parties between which the contract has been made and wherein the first party promises to pay a certain sum of money to the second party on the happening of a particular event in the future, and the second party agrees to pay to the first party on not happening of a particular event. The basic fundamental of a wagering agreement is the presence of two parties who are of sound mind to get a profit or a loss. A wager in a common language means betting or gambling. This basic meaning of the term wager is betting. Section 30 of the Indian Contract Act of especially talks about agreements by way of wager as void. Agreements by way of wager are void and no suit shall be brought for recovering anything alleged to be won by any wager. So basically, in simple language, wagering contracts are void ab initio because like betting and gambling are not predictable. Moreover, they are in the eyes of law they hold no importance. So now talking about the essentials of wagering contracts. So the first one is equal opportunity. Second one is uncontrollable event. Third one is no outside interest. Fourth one is dependency, and the fifth one is promise. So as per Indian Contract Act, Section 30 states that there are also expectations in the wagering agreements, and thus the section reads as follows. This section shall not be deemed to render unlawful as a subscription or contribution made or entered for or towards any played prize or a sum of money or a value of amount more than exceeding 500 rupees to be awarded to the winner of a horse race. Nothing in this section shall be deemed to legalize any transaction connected with horse racing to which the provision of section 294A of IPC shall apply. So if you guys have any doubt in this video, you can just ping me in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a nice day.